Every day with you is magic.
God has shown me that when you love someone with a punky kid sister like myself, you show up at the table prepared with a game plan and a follow-through. Love, be true to her. Life, be dear to her. Health, stay close to her. And joy, draw near to her. Find what you can do for her. Search your treasure house through and through for her. And as always, keep her husband, forever her lover. And I want to thank the both of you for being a part of my life. And today, you show me how to find a lover, a partner, and a best friend, all in one person.
For a lifetime.
Daddy, the first day of your new life, you have many miles to travel. I hope the blessed earth rises to meet your feet and kiss it as you journey. I hope the sun shines warmly in your face, so that each day you may discover anew the beauty and the magic and the wonder and the mystery of life.
Now I can't get you out of my mind. And here we are for a lifetime.
We are assembled here in the presence of God to unite this man and this woman in the bonds of holy matrimony.
These are the hands that will give you strength when you need them. These are the hands that, when wrinkled and aged, will still be reaching for yours.
Now hand in hand we soar. Your tears, your touch, your lips, your love, your laugh, your songs, your stories.
Your heart, your arms, your lips, your laugh, your love, your songs, your stories.
When you have come to the rainbow's edge and the gate swings on golden hinges to welcome you, I hope you go singing and dancing, hugging and kissing, hand in hand, into the silent memory of him who sent you.
My heart's at your command, dear, to keep love and to hold. Making you happy is my desire, dear. Keeping you is my goal, and I'll forever love you.
For a lifetime.